This is my bestie opening her FabFitFun for the first time. See if she likes it.
Okay,
Here we go.
I already took the tape off of it last night, hoping it would make it easier.
Way to be ahead of the game. Okay, and the excitement begins.
Oh, that's
The
very...
inside of their boxes are so pretty. Aren't they?
Yeah.
They're as bad as P. Louise, you know, I don't want to throw them away.
Right, they are pretty. Oh boy. Alright. I have no idea where any glasses are. I don't care.
There might be some behind you, but you can't reach them.
Yeah.
It doesn't tell you what's in it.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
Oh, okay, okay.
I can read that for you if you want.
Nah, if it doesn't tell me what's in it.
So first
of all, we have what does it say?
First we have Coors Body Smoothing Milk.
Ooh.
I know. I bet this smells really good.
I'm gonna.
Hold on. I want to put it.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah. That's gonna be great.
Yeah, that's huge though.
There might be a little. You have to take the little tip off.
I was just checking.
I know. I always hope that too, because I can never get them off.
They're a pain. Sometimes.
Ooh, let's see what she thinks.
It smells very
milky.
No. Ooh, it's nice and thick.
Yeah, that's a good body cream.
Look at that.
I like thick body cream too.
Smell it.
I don't smell anything.
It's like cinnamony or nutmeg. That's what it kind of smells like to me.
Does it say? It's vanilla cinnamon. Yes, you got it. It's vanilla and cinnamon.
Okay.
So that's perfect for you.
Yeah, I love it. Oh, it's nice and...
They have good stuff in their boxes.
I have to be careful on my arms. But... Nice. Okay. Ooh, I love that.
Nice.
Okay, sponge gel.
So it's a shower sponge.
Oh, okay. Very nice. So it just gets wet? And
yeah,
then...
you just wet it and go to town.
And then it dissolves? Or what?
I don't think so.
Oh.
I think it's a bathing sponge. Is that what it says?
I think so, yeah. Yep, you're right.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
Some of them are big and sometimes they're small.
Yeah. Ooh, this is heavy.
Ooh, could be a candle.
Marshmallow burnt sugar, I bet it is.
No, don't be a candle. Oh, crap, it's a candle.
It's okay. I'm not afraid. Yeah, it's very nice.
Palo Santo, marshmallow, and burnt sugar.
Yeah.
There it is. Now you can see it. It's got like a nice scent to it.
Yeah. We're not supposed to burn candles here, but I'm going to anyway. Because it smells so good.
It's just like refreshing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So far, so good on her introductory package.
I got one more to go.
All for $5.
I know. It cost me $5 because you did something magically.
I did.
Passage. Towel or travel jewelry case. Ah.
Good places to have them to be in your house. Like, I could use one of those. I've never seen them in the list. Ooh.
Look at that.
And it's from, I would say, Melee and Company, Find Your Shine.
Yeah. There we go. So cute. Oh, look at that.
Nice. That is a nice jewelry case.
Yeah, to travel with.
Even if you want to just keep stuff here.
Yeah.
You don't want to lose them.
Yeah, like that stuff by my TV.
That is very nice.
I love it.
Thank
too.
you, FabFitFun. I think she loves it.
I love it, FabFitFun. Thank you. And thanks, Donna.